Namaste student. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is a simplification. So first we'll try to understand what is simplification. So simplification is the process of replacing a mathematical expression by an equivalent one that is simpler, usually shorter. That means what? You take one simplification like 2 into 3 plus 1. So here you can see this is a mathematical expression, arithmetic expression. Now you need to make it in a shorter form, and the process you are going to apply, that is called simplification. So what rule we are going to apply? Your rule is that first a multiplication and then addition. You cannot do like this, like 2 into 3 plus 1 4 and 8 if you will write, this is totally wrong. You cannot apply like that, because to solve the problem like this type of things you need to follow certain rule, and the rule is that VBODMAS. So here we have the meaning. Here S subtraction, A addition, M multiplication, D division, O of, B means bracket, and under bracket there are 3 more bracket. Actually there are 4 bracket. You can say that the last one, that is VINCULUM we say, or bar we say. So here 1 2 3 4, these are 4 bracket. So first case we're going to solve this one and then we'll proceed 1 2 3. So here you have the rule, you can see. That means here the rule is that V is the most powerful. That means whenever you see this VINCULUM, you need to do that one first and then bracket, and under that bracket there are 3 more. That means under that bracket you need to go first this one, second this, and then third one square bracket. Okay, so let's see. Here we have a problem. So what this problem is, that you can see here MAS, that means M come first, that means multiplication come first and then addition. So you cannot go with this method. So what we're going to do, 2 into 3 plus 1, our first target is that follow this rule. The rule is that first VINCULUM, then bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication. But out of this you can't see any one of the operation here. Only you can see multiplication and addition operation, and you need to compare with these two. So which is most powerful, addition or multiplication? You can see that most powerful is multiplication. So you need to go for multiplication first. That means 2 3 ja 6 plus 1, and here you have 7. Have you seen? You are getting here 8 if you will not follow the BODMAS rule, and if you follow the BODMAS rule then you will get 7. So this is the correct answer. So, and this process we call simplification. So here we have so many problems, like sir, what does it mean that bar? It's the first time in class 5 or yes, in 5 maybe you have seen this one, or you maybe have not seen this all. So let's see what. Now if I'll give 4 divided 2 into 3 minus 2. So here what we can see, you can see that division is there, multiplication is there, subtraction is there. So which one we're going to do first? Our first target is division, because you can see that out of division and multiplication, division is more powerful. So we'll go first division. So 4 divided by 2 will get 2 into 3 minus 2. Now out of this 2, which is most powerful? Multiplication. So 2 3 ja 6 minus 2, and you are getting 4. Let's see the BODMAS rule, like 4 plus 3 into 2 plus 3, and keep it bar. Okay, this is VINCULUM. Now question will arise, sir, shall I multiply first? See here, before multiplying this one 3 into 2, you need to see that 2 plus 3 is under bar bracket. That means you need to go first this. So you have to write 4 as it is, plus 3 as it is, 3 as it is, into. Now you add this one. Think this one is a bracket. That means 2 plus 3 is what? 5. Now you follow again which rule? Vinculum already covered. Now out of this what we have? Multiplication and addition. So which is bigger? Yes, multiplication. So 4 plus 3 5 ja 15, and now you add it, you'll get here 19. Okay, and this process we call simplification. Okay, thank you.